Yay!
Those are good steps. Hi. Hello. It's June 25th, 2008. Alexis is 16 and a half. Alexis, can you say hi? Do it. Alexis, are you talking into the cup? She says, I know. Oh, Harley. What a funny guy. Harley dog.
Hi, Alexis. Hey.
Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. Are you recording?
I'm recording.
Come on. Here we go. Are we walking around the table? Why don't we turn down the TV out of the way? It's very loud. Me and my girl are going for a walk. Now where are you going to go on your own? You going to go anywhere? Are you going to move the chair? You going to come get your bus? Come get your bus. Oh, look, Harley's toy. Alexis, look, Harley's toy. Right inside. Doesn't that make you want to go get it? No. She just wants to get the bus. Here she goes. Yay! That was good.
Alexis, what do you have?
Bus. Yeah! That's a good one. Let's keep going. Keep following, Dan. Keep following. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop holding on, you cheater. Oh,
Oops.
tumble roost. Let's keep walking. No walker. You don't need it. Harley. You want your bus? No. You can get your bus. I saw that happen.
Alexis, can you come over here? Who is that?
Come here. Jenny.
Oh.
Giving you a workout.
Alexis, can you wave?
Huh? Bye bye. Trying to let go. Bye bye.
Can you see Grandma?
Grandma. Alexis. Grandma. Can you say Grandma? Grandma. Can you say Grandma?
Put your hand up.
Grandma. 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 Oh, we got it on time!